Yo, what if with one single workflow you can create text to video?
You said things would be different this time.
Oh. I know. Just didn't think it would end like this.
Image to video.
I keep getting asked how I'm making these. Honestly, most of it I learned inside the AI Creators Hub. Links in the description and first comment.
First frame, last frame. And also audio to video.
Hey, you. Yes, you. Yes! Finally! I'm talking to you. I just want to say cauliflower.
Sounds cool, right? Well, this is the exact workflow. With this workflow, you can create all of this stuff completely for free, completely uncensored. So you can create everything, and I mean everything you want. So, without further ado, let's get into it. And of course, you will find every single resources to download the model, the VIE, and so on inside my free community on School. So, join the free community, link is in the description, in the first comment, or you can just scan the QR code right now. Perfect, now let's get into the workflow step by step. So here we are inside ComfyUI as usual. We drag and drop our workflow. Here is the whole workflow. Now we need to install a lot of different things. We need to install the models, the VIE, the text encoders, and maybe some custom nodes. So let's start with the custom nodes. We go into the manager, into install missing custom nodes as usual, and let's see, we have a lot of different custom nodes that we need to install. So right now we proceed and install all the custom nodes that we need. So I click install, select the version and install it. I'll do it one by one, and after that, as usual, we restart our ComfyUI. In the meantime, we can proceed to download the models, the text encoders, the VIE, and maybe some LoRa's. First one is down, let's install the second one. We select the version and we install it. Perfect, now we have installed all the custom nodes that we need and we restart our ComfyUI. In the meantime, we can proceed to download all the models that we need. So, we go into our Jupyter Lab. Of course, if you are with your own machine, just go into your ComfyUI folder. Let's start with our diffusion model, that is this one. Now, the great thing about this workflow is that we have two versions. The version that runs on high VRAM, so this one that I'm using right here, and also we have a version for low VRAM, so you only need 12 gigabytes of VRAM. Of course, depending on your specs, decide which one you want to download. I leave you inside the community, in the description of the video in the community, both versions, so you can decide which one to use. Of course, with the full versions, this one that I'm downloading here, the quality will be higher, but also it will require more VRAM. So we copy the download link. We go inside our Jupyter Lab or our ComfyUI folder, we click ComfyUI as usual, models, diffusion models, and here we open up a new terminal. We are inside the diffusion models, we go wget, we paste, and we press enter. Perfect, now our diffusion model is done. We can go on and download the text encoders. So we can close this and open up a new terminal. We go always into ComfyUI models. This time we go into text encoders. We open up the new terminal, and here we have two text encoders to download. So we copy the download link of the first one. We go wget, we paste, and we press enter. Perfect, our first diffusion model is downloaded, and now we go with the second one. So we copy the download link as usual. We are already into the text encoders. I said diffusion model a minute ago, so text encoders, sorry. We are already in the text encoders. We go wget, we paste, and we press enter. Perfect, downloaded. And now we can move on and go with the VIE, so we can close this. We go always into ComfyUI models, and this time here into the VIE. We open up a new terminal, and here we have the first one. We copy the download link, we go wget and we paste it. And here we have the second one. We copy the download link, we are already into the VIE folder, so we go wget, we paste and we press enter. Perfect, so now we have the two VIE. Now we go always into models. This time we go into latent upscale model right here. If we, perfect. We copy the download link. We go back. I may already have this one, but let's go terminal. We are into latent upscale models. Wget, we paste and we press enter. Yeah, I already had this one, so well, it's not that much, it's 1 gigabyte. So not a problem. Okay. So I can just delete the one that I re-downloaded. And now we also have a LoRa that we can download. So we go into models, of course ComfyUI models, this time into LoRa's. We open up the new terminal. We take this LoRa here, that is still LoRa dynamic. We copy the download link. And of course, wget, we paste and we press enter. Perfect, and now we are set. One last thing, if you need some LoRa, I will leave you this page with the links to some LoRa's for example, pose control, detailer, camera control. So as you can see, camera control, dolly in, dolly left, dolly out, jeep down, static, and so on. So I will leave the link here in the description so that you can download the LoRa's that you need. But as of now, we have downloaded everything we need to make this workflow work. So we go inside our ComfyUI, we refresh the page because we installed the missing custom nodes a few minutes ago. And here we have our workflow, and now we should be ready to start working on it. Okay, now we can start testing this giant super workflow, and let's start with some text to video. So one thing that you want to check once you start the workflow for the first time is which model are you using. So if you use the VRAM 16 gigabytes and up, so the model I'm using right now, you have to connect this node into this node, so from model into model. If you are using the low VRAM version, so the 8 gigabytes to 12 gigabytes, so the GGUF, you have to connect the model from here to here. So pretty simple, depending on the model that you use, make sure to connect the right spaghetti. With that being said, we can start testing out. So here in the setting, we have some option. We have text to video, audio to video, image to video, lip sync, first and last frame, and so on. Now we start with text to video, so we toggle yes to the text to video, as we can see here. Here we have the length in seconds, so you just can drag and drop it. Here you have the FPS. Of course, if you want to use low VRAM, you can go with less FPS, so frame per second, let's say 16 instead of 24, for example. Here you have the width and the height of your video. So of course, right now is more cinematic. If you want some Instagram style, you switch those values. And here you have the prompt. So right now I can cancel this, enter my prompt. Perfect. And now we can move on and run it. And so here we have it. Now let's take a look at this video.
You said things would be different this time.
Oh. I know. Just didn't think it would end like this.
I mean, this is amazing. Basically, it's like a scene from a movie. And we just made it in a few minutes with a single prompt, that is this one. As you can see, if you need to pause and read the full prompt, please do it. So now let's move on and let's start with audio to video. So for the audio to video part, we firstly need to change this one, and I will let you see what happens, because this is very, very cool. So as you can see here, we have auto select option, and we have different kind of stuff. We have the text to video, the one that we use since now. Now we have the audio to video, the image to video, and so on. And as you can see, these 5 are bypassed, and this one is the one that we've used just now. If we change this, so if we change from audio to video, I will let you see. As soon as I click here, automatically it will bypass this and select the correct workflow to use. This is very, very cool because, I mean, it's like a switch, no? If you want to use audio to video, you go there. If you want to go image to video, and we are going to see it later on, we can just change it. So change this, and this one will change automatically. Now for using audio to video, we need, of course, a text prompt and also an audio file to upload. So I'll just upload here a prompt. Okay, and now I upload an audio file. How I upload an audio file, I select it from here. In this case, I already have some audio that I've uploaded inside my Jupyter Lab folder, or I can just choose audio to upload, and as you can see, I will have different audio files to upload. Now, for this, let's try with a girl. So let's do this way. Okay, I don't remember exactly what this audio is, but let's find out. And here, let's say, instead of a person, let's say a woman. Okay, and now let's run it. Oh, also maybe here we can go with 7 seconds. I don't know how long is the audio. It's 5 seconds the audio, so let's do it 5 seconds. And again, if your audio is longer, you just select here based on your audio file. So now the audio is 5 seconds, let's go with 5 seconds. Also, I turn down a little bit the size, so I go 720 by 1280, just because sake of time. If you want to go higher in resolution, of course, like before that we was in HD, so 180p, go with 180. Of course, if your VRAM allowed, you can also go to 4K. Okay, so here I've got an error because we don't have this VIE. Okay, so what happened now? Now we download it and we move on. So probably I forgot to download this VIE before, so let's download it right now. We copy the download link, we go into ComfyUI, models, VIE, and here we open up a new terminal, we go wget, wget, we paste, and we press enter. VIE is super fast, so already downloaded, and now we can refresh our ComfyUI. Perfect. And now we should have it, the TIE LTX 2.3 here, perfect. And now we rerun the workflow. And so here we have the video. Let's take a look.
I still can't believe this entire video was generated with AI. I still can't believe this entire video was generated with AI.
As you can see, pretty good results. And now I believe that we can move on to I believe, one of the best part of this entire workflow, that is image to video. Because of course, we have an image that maybe is good, we want to animate that, bring the image to life, and also with some audio as well. Now we are going to see two different ways from image to video. We are going to see image to video with automatically generated audio through a prompt. And after that we are going to see image to video with the audio uploaded by us. So with a file like this. Basically we are combining the workflows. So let's start with image to video, where the audio is automatically done by the workflow, so by LTX 2.3, using a single prompt. Now again, just to let you see, because this is really cool, I tap here and automatically it will switch. Okay, now to use the image to video, we just enter a prompt, so just like this one. And of course we need to enter an image, so in this case in load image 1, so under input load image 1, we select the image that we want. Here I use this image. Here let's change the size, so let's go with 120. Okay. And we press run. So here is the prompt. If you want to pause the video and read it.
I keep getting asked how I'm making these. Honestly, most of it I learned inside the AI Creators Hub. Links in the description and first comment.
First of all, she's speaking the truth. Second of all, great generation. I mean, even if we are in a little bit of low quality, the video turns out to be amazing. As a matter of fact, I will save this because this girl is speaking the truth. Now let's take a look at the lip sync, so image plus audio. So we select this one, and of course this is automatically changed. I love this feature so much. So now what we have to do is to upload an image, upload an audio, and also if we want we can upload a prompt. So I will go there just that. And so I've uploaded my picture right here. I've made a small prompt and here I have my audio. So just let's hear the audio.
Hey, you. Yes, you. Yes! Finally! I'm talking to you. I just want to say cauliflower.
Okay, perfect. So this is the audio, a very silly one. And here we have the video.
Hey, you. Yes, you. Yes! Finally! I'm talking to you. I just want to say cauliflower.
And as you can see, the lip sync was very good. And so this is for lip sync, but I've got to be honest here, for lip syncing I prefer by far the last workflow that I shared, the one where I use 1.2. So if you want to go with lip sync, I believe that workflow, and I will link it, of course, it is better, way better. But now let's move on and let's try one of the most powerful, if not the most powerful set about this workflow. The first frame, last frame to video. So we select this one. And as you can see right here, we have first frame, last frame. And this is very powerful because we can do video starting from one frame and ending with another frame. So basically we upload our starting image, we upload our ending image, and the model will create a video in between those two images. And so now I uploaded my starting image, that is this one, and I uploaded my ending image, that is this one, and I've just give it a little prompt here where I explain that I want to zoom in from this image to this image. So basically I want to zoom in inside the eye of this character. Now let's set let's say 10 seconds, and here let's just press run. Awesome. And now here we have our video. Great, as you can see, you can create this kind of videos, and this is very powerful because you just enter the first frame, the last frame. Now, if you enter the last as the first and another one, you can create a story, a long story with a series of frames and a series of videos. So this is one of the most powerful tools because, of course, you can create a long video by attaching together some short videos that ends and then start with a frame and end with a frame. So if you go frame 1, frame 2, then frame 2, frame 3, then 3, 4, 4, 5, and so on, you can create a long video flow. And now we can move on into the last part of this entire workflow. So we are finally at the last tool that I want to showcase with this workflow, that is style transfer, aka motion control. Because yes, you can also do motion control with this workflow. And so without further ado, let's get into motion control. And here we have video motion control. So we enable this one, and so here we have our style transfer, so video to video motion control. Here in the load video input, we upload our video. And here in the load image one, we upload the image of the character that we want to swap, basically. And now I've got this error because, again, I forgot something, so I forgot to download Alora. Now we'll do it really quickly. So here we have the link. We copy the download link. We go into our Jupyter Lab. I'll show you from the beginning, but the same, ComfyUI, models, LoRa's, and here we open up a new terminal, we go wget, we paste it, and we press enter. And now we are downloading the LoRa that we need for the motion control. So my bad, I forgot about this. Perfect, now it's download. Now we can refresh our ComfyUI. And run it. And here we have the final video. Now I put on screen both so that we can see how it is. And so, as you can see, pretty flawless as a motion control video. Now let's take a few other examples. Of course, as always, here we can change the resolution, so we can go 720, and again I set the resolution a little bit lower just for time's sake. Of course, go with full HD or even 4K if your VRAM allows it. Look, I've gotta be honest here, I tried style transfer, so motion control, a lot, and the result that I showed you a second ago was the only one good that comes out. So when it comes to motion control, I believe that one animate, for example, is way better. Of course, if you have access to Kling 3.0, is the king of motion control. So as of now, I won't use this workflow for motion control, neither for lip sync, because as I said before, the workflow of Infinite Talk with 1.2 is way better. But of course, you can use this super exciting workflow for text to video, audio to video, image to video, and first frame, last frame. And I believe that image to video in particular and first frame, last frame are some of the best tools to create good stories, good storytelling with videos, good reels for your social media, and so on. So use this workflow for, again, text to video, audio to video, image to video, and especially first frame, last frame. With these 4 workflows in one, you can create more than enough for your social media, for your pages, website. I mean, you can create pretty much everything you want. So again, LTX 2.3 is a great model to create some of these. It has integrated audio, you can upload your own audio as you want. It is basically like Kling 3.0, but it's completely free, it's open source, and so it is uncensored. So of course you can create not safe for work stuff if you want to, and it won't cost you credits like Kling, for example. And so let me know in the comments below which one of these, let's say 4 workflow in one is your favorite. Maybe is image to video, maybe is text to video, or first frame, last frame. Let me know how you use it. Of course, if you want to see more, if you want a lot more workflows and so on, join my free community. The link is in the description, in the first comment of the video, or you can just scan the QR code on screen right now. I'll see you there. In the meantime, I wish you a great day. Take care, bye bye.